Hey everyone, Rick, the Static Nomadic. Day 16 here. I ended up texting the guy last night and just told him to cancel the parts order. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go up to Colorado Springs and have the place that Cummins recommend do it. And it's mainly because if getting parts here is going to be such a problem, should we need additional parts or whatever, I could see where this thing would be down for a good week or whatever. And, when you live on it full time, that, I don't know. I mean, it's not like I'm in a hurry to move or something, but sitting in a gas station parking lot for a week wouldn't be any fun. Especially with, having to run the genset and everything. So anyway, I just had him cancel it. I'm just going to call this place in Colorado Springs Monday morning, tomorrow morning, and see what their lead time is, and then kind of try and schedule it in and head up there. Get it done up there. Probably going to be a little more expensive, but at least they'll have all of the parts on hand. And, I won't have to worry about sitting there for 4 or 5 days trying to get parts. Anyway, Paul and I, old speed racer here, we're going to take a ride. He wants to go check out one of the special Colorado stores. And I don't know what we'll do after that. Well, everyone, we went into town, and I don't know. We got some wiper blades for Paul's Mini, and went and ate some pizza. Place called San Luis Pizzeria, and evidently they were voted one of the top 5 pizzerias in Colorado. Now I don't know how recently that was. It didn't say. I didn't see a print date on the menu. That's where it says that, but anyway, it was good pizza. He only likes cheese and pepperoni, which leaves a lot to be desired on a pizza, because I like a loaded pizza. But anyway, I was going to take some video as we came out of there, but as soon as we came out of there and the wind was kicking. I really should have taken some video of that, because it had to have been 40-mile-an-hour winds. And, yeah, I was hanging on to my hat and everything I had just to get back to the car. So, anyway, we're back here. Still, there's some wind, but the further away we got from Alamosa, the better it got. But I'll show you a quick clip of the far clouds here. Yeah, we still got, I don't know if we got more storms coming or not, but yeah, pretty rough looking skies. Anyway, I want to give a big shout out to Paul, the shootist, for getting me out and about, helping me try and get my brain off of this whole deal. And I don't know, that's what friends do, I guess. And well, I know, actually, we try and help each other through our problems, and sometimes those problems, there ain't nothing you can do about until you just let it all work itself out. And that's what I got to do here until tomorrow morning, and talk to the place in Colorado Springs and go from there. You know, he's got his own problems going on with body work, so we're going to have to figure that one out, and we'll go from there. Anyway, I just wanted to close this vlog out for tonight. I don't see much else happening tonight, so peace out, people.
Thank you.